Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the KARPAL front, left and right bumper guards, pads, caps and license plate frame bracket. Perfectly compatible with the 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150. This premium aftermarket product is designed to directly replace OEM components, ensuring a seamless fit and easy installation. With OEM part numbers 9L3Z17E810B and 9L3Z17A385A, among others, you can be confident in its compatibility and quality. Say goodbye to complicated installations, as these bumper guards are crafted for a straightforward, hassle-free upgrade, saving you both time and effort. KARPAL, a trusted American brand with 15 years of experience, meticulously crafts and rigorously tests each part to ensure reliability and performance. Enhance your Ford F-150 with these high-quality components and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a product designed to last. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive insights and product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.